Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. How's everybody doing? I hope y'all doing good. I have a PR unboxing for y'all, and it's from VIP Cross Stitch. So, sorry if the lighting's bad because I tried to work my ring light and yeah, it's not doing so well. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all the things that I got from VIP Cross Stitch, and I will tell y'all the prices and where y'all can find it, and everything that I discuss will be linked in the video description, in the description portion of this video. So, let's get to it. All right. So, y'all, this is big. This is an 11 count cross stitch painting, cross stitch canvas. Sorry for the noise, bear with me. Okay, so thank you to VIP Cross Stitch, by the way, for sending me these items. I appreciate y'all. I'm not a big cross stitcher, but I have done it and I do like to do it. It's not my number one thing, but I do like to do it. It is relaxing sometimes. So this one is this humongous painting, this canvas right here. It is a festive one. It has Christmas trees, it has a jar, it has it's cookies and some fruits and cinnamon sticks and a cinnamon stick drink. I don't know exactly what that is, maybe coffee. I don't know exactly what that is, but it's some kind of drink. I thought it was so cute. I decided to get it, and yeah. VIP Cross Stitch sent it to me. This is what the pattern looks like. Like I said, I'm not a big cross stitch person. Maybe I will finish this one day, but it's gonna take a hot minute to complete this, especially for me. I thought it was, I don't know what I was thinking, but it's very cute. I love the colors. I like the pattern. I do like to cross stitch sometimes. I am just not good enough yet to do something this size. So I'm going to show y'all the actual canvas. And this has, let's see. Let me see how many colors. It comes with all the colors. Let's see. I don't know. Hold on one second. 36 colors. Okay, so this comes with 36 colors, and this is the canvas. It's 11 count. This is the canvas. It comes with 36 colors. That's the thumbnail. Let me see if I can put my hand behind it. That's the thumbnail for it. It's so cute. Really is cute. These are the symbols. And they do have the DMC codes on the side. These are all the symbols for the colors. And I think it's so cute. It will take a hot minute, but I would love to do this. I just, I'm not very good at it, but I like to work on them, but I'm not very good at it. I need practice. Especially like for certain stitches. I'm not all too sure about the stitches, but it tells you the instructions on here. It gives you the instructions on how to do it and how to do some of the stitches and stuff at the bottom. I'm still not that familiar with it, but especially with the complicated stitches. So, but it does give you instructions. And it comes with everything you need to cross stitch. And so I'm going to show you the thread as well. But this is the canvas. So cute. And then now I'm going to show y'all the thread for it. I just really love this. Look at those colors though. That's going to be really cute. Maybe I'll take on that project of starting doing more of cross stitching this year. I know it's noisy, I'm sorry. I want to show y'all the colors of the thread. Or, yeah. So this one, oh gosh. So I'm just going to hold them up because they don't come on they all separated. So, these are the colors. Look how many pretty colors. Like I said, they have 36. Let me pull up, get up a little bit so y'all can see these. They have 36 colors. So they have light purples. They have the different browns. They have fall colors. A lot of fall colors in them. Let's see. Cooperate. Some oranges, some coppers, some yellows. Like I said, a lot of fall colors. Some more burgundies and maroons. They have a lot of colors in here, y'all. Some beige, some beige. Some golds. Oh, if they don't quit falling. Some golds. Kind of spread them out, these out a little bit. So such beautiful, beautiful colors. It's like I said, it's a lot of fall colors, and all the DMC codes are listed at the top of each one. So yeah, this one came with 36 colors. So you know, if you're into a lot of colors, this would be the one for you. I don't know. I know how to do it, but it will probably take me a long time because I'm not as familiar with cross stitching as I am with diamond painting. And like I said, I'll probably take this year coming. I'm going to take on some more cross stitching projects, and hopefully I get something completed so I can show y'all. Yeah, that's a lot of colors for a cross stitch, I think. Maybe it's just me because I'm not familiar with it yet, but I just dabbled in it, you know. So it also came with this, which is a needle and a needle threader, and I don't know what this is for, but I guess to hold needles. Yeah, to hold needles, okay. And so it comes with that as well. So that particular one, it's called, it's a Christmas dessert. That's what it's called. It's 50 by 50 centimeter, and it's $12.19 on their website as of the last time I looked. So it may be down, it may be up, I'm not sure. I haven't checked it just recently. But I will link this, everything in the description portion of this video. So you can just click on it and head there yourself and check them out. I have another one. Thought this one was cute as well. So this one is a snowman, and this is what the snowman looks like. I thought he was so cute. And then this is the pattern. These are the symbols. It has 25 colors. 25 colors. These are the DMC codes. It comes with the DMC codes on the side of each color, and those are the colors. Y'all could see those. And then this is the DMC. This is the thumbnail. So yeah, the colors are really pretty. Let's see. Show y'all the canvas. Like I said, it comes with 25 colors, and y'all could probably see those better here. I want to stand in your way in the light. I need a ring light. I have a ring light, I just don't know how to use it. This is the thumbnail. These are the colors. Colors are really, really cute. Really pretty colors. And it comes with some needles here. I'm really curious to see as to what it's going to come out to look like. So we have the colors here on a color slide, or I don't know what you call it, but cardboard piece, and it has all the numbers to correspond with the numbers on your canvas. So I'm going to show you these colors up close. They have some like a gray, some blue, a darker gray, I don't know, like a dark mauve-ish maybe, blue, rust color, some more grays, beige, black, and then we have some more over here. This is like a dark green, maroon, beige, purple, light purple, lavender, whatever you want to call it. So those are the colors for that. Some pretty colors. Look at that. That's so pretty. It's gonna be pretty. That would be a cute one to complete as well. And like I said, they have each number corresponds with the number on the canvas, so you know what color to go with. So, see if I can roll this back up, because I don't need that all to tangle up. So like this one is also an 11 count, and they both stamped as you've seen, and this one was $9.11. And they are both stamped canvases. Like I said, I'm not I would probably try this one first. I have an owl that I'm working on. I don't work on it a whole lot, but I do from time to time work on it because I'm not familiar with cross stitching as much as diamond painting. But sometimes I need a little change, and I just work on a little bit, do a few stitches, and it just makes me happy. So yeah. So these are these you can find on their VIPcrossstitch.com website, and like I said, I will link these two in the description portion of the video, and you can find them there. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And until next time, y'all have a good day. Bye.